Hi friends, na videos merikontamandiకి reach అవ్వడానికి please like, share and subscribe to my channel. In this video, we have to learn about homophones. Homophones. What is homophone? The words having same sound but different in meaning. Words having same sound but different in meaning. I will write some words. Look carefully. First one is B. B. Here these two words has same sound but different in meaning. Second one, break. B-R-A-K-E, break. B-R-E-A-K, break. Blue, ఓదడం. Blue. Scent, S-C-E-N-T, scent. Here C is silent. S-E-N-T, scent. Clear, C-L-E-A-R, clear. Clear. This is also clear. I, E-Y-E, I. I. H-E-A-R, here. H-E-R-E, here. Next one, male. M-A-I-L, male. M-A-L-E, male. O-N-E, one. W-O-N, one. T-A-I-L, tail. Tail. R-E-D, red. R-E-A-D, red. Past tense, not read. Sun, S-O-N, sun. S-U-N, sun. Allowed, A-L-O-U-D, allowed. Allowed, A-L-L-O-W-E-D, allowed. H-O-U-R, hour. O-U-R, hour. W-A-I-T, wait. W-E-I-G-H-T, wait. Next one, B-U-Y, buy. B-Y, buy. B-Y-E, buy. A-T-E, eight. E-I-G-H-T, eight. Eight, eight. H-E-A-L, heel. H-E-E-L, heel. Here same sound but different in meaning and spelling. S-E-E-C. S-E-A-C. K-N-O-W, no. N-O, no. Next, K-N-E-W, new. N-E-W, new. W-E-E-K, weak. W-E-A-K, weak. W-E-R, where. W-H-E-R-E, where. T-H-E-R-E, there. T-H-E-I-R, there. M-A-D-E, made. M-A-I-D, made. W-I-T-C-H, which. W-H-I-C-H, which. S-E-L-L, cell. C-E-L-L, cell. P-E-A-R, pair. P-A-I-R, pair. K-N-O-T, not. N-O-T, not. T-O-2, T-W-O-2, T-O-O-2. These are the words having same sound but different in meaning and spelling. First one is B, B, break, break, blue, blue, scent, scent, clear, clear, I, here, here, male, male, one, one, tail, tail, red, red, sun, sun, allowed, allowed, hour, hour, wait, wait, buy, eight, heel, see, no, new, week, where, there, made, which, sell, peer, pair, not, two. These are the words having same sound but different in meaning are called homophones. Thank you friends. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.